Holy crap.
Come on, you know.
Oh, you got my windshield all muddy.
He is sending it hard.
Just show me.
And they call Hayden the shit talker.
You want a barrel race? I'll do that.
Somebody say barrel race!
You bet we did, brother.
Shoot! Drew, the secretary, here's the fastest horse you've ever seen. It's a couple horses mixed together. You ain't got no chance.
You see that belt buckle right there? That's numerous state champs, I tell you what.
Shh. Let me get off of this thing real quick. See this belt buckle? All the belt buckle bunnies chase me, brother.
I think you polished that up, heard it.
You bet. They gotta keep chasing me, you know. I love me some belt buckle bunnies, and I love giving them a good ride.
Those sprinkles here is gonna kick your ass.
Oh, right.
I tell you.
Hey, whoa.
Shoot. I got 144 horses here that say I can beat you in that barrel race.
Ain't no chance, brother. Let me put a dip in real quick.
You know.
Yeah, it just goes right there in the lip. We're good. We're good. We put a little more in for some character. Let's do this thing.
I'm gonna take a shower here in a second.
Way more fun.
It's got a little bit more power.
A little bit, just a little.
Just a little.
Here's your time.
Oh yeah, that felt good.
Oh,
That was fun.
23-13.
Yeah.
So it doesn't matter. That looked cooler, sounded cooler, was cooler.
Oh, you got my windshield all muddy.
Yeah, trying to distract you.
Hey, boys and girls, this is for the money here.
Oh, he's sending it. Oh, he's
Hang on there, Thunder.
I don't think he's got it though.
He likes some brakes.
He's driving.
No way.
Oh my lantips. 23.93. Well, there's your time.
Oh, you got me by almost a full second.
Yeah. You were sending it pretty good though.
It was fun.
Way better to watch.
So you got the pleasure of going third. Are you excited? Nervous?
I'm excited just because it looks fun.
How do you think you're gonna do?
I'm gonna do great.
You're gonna do great things?
Yeah. That's all I got to say.
Alright, we got Hayden's first run in the Razor here. Coming in hot. Let's see how he does. I thought he was gonna smoke that snowball, dude.
I still got 6 inches or so.
That's all it takes, right?
That's what I'm told.
Oh, this is way more fun to drive.
All right, cowboy. How do you feel you did?
Better than that thing.
On hold 10 seconds.
Nice. I'm still a second behind you guys, but whatever. That was way more fun.
Hey, you didn't lift when you were headed towards the giant snowball down there, so I'm impressed.
Was I headed towards it?
6 inches.
No. Oh, shoot, I wasn't even looking at it.
I got nervous when I lifted when I was next to it. So.
I forgot it was even there.
It was white, it blended in.
Yeah, pretty much. Oh, well, I want another chance.
You want a second run?
I could do better.
Okay.
Yep.
Run at the chin. All right.
Yeah.
Wow. Talk about somebody getting cocky. All right, we got Andy's second attempt in the Razor. He said he's going to put a second gap on me and Hayden. Holy crap. Holy crap. Does he have to go through the finish line?
Doesn't count. Doesn't count. He missed the finish.
You gotta go through the finish line, guy.
That was freaking fast.
Holy crap.
He was flying.
Woo! Well, if you would have driven through the traps.
Oh my gosh, Andy. Come on! No! No! You gotta go through the line.
You didn't go through the traps, dude. But if you did,
Yeah,
you
buddy.
were sending it hard
Dude, it's-
and tight. It was sick.
Oh, man.
That was awesome. DNF!
Could you be late on the timer?
All right, Jason's second run in the RZR.
He is sending it hard. Bring it home. Oh, hell yeah.
Boy was driving that one. Was it enough though to beat that 22-22? I don't know. Man, these guys are sending it, dude. I feel like I got big shoes to fill right now.
How much seat do you have wadded up there?
This camera is gonna show me just gritting my teeth like, come on, baby! Splat guy. Not bad. 2276.
You was driving.
And I made it through the gate.
Pretty sure you were wide open going through the gate too. You guys are laying down some heavy runs. And I don't know, I'm a pretty conservative driver, so I mean, I'll do my best, but we'll see.
That's what I hear is excuses. All right.
Yeah, sure.
He's already given up.
Oh,
Well, this will be
I didn't
entertaining,
say
boys.
that.
Good, good, good. Stay in it. Go, go.
More throttle, guy, come on. More throttle.
Oh, he got scared. He got scared. Oof. Is there any seat left?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Didn't suck it all up?
Not at all.
My butt was puckered for you.
Was it on two wheels or something?
You know how you were close to the Snowball last time?
Did I touch it?
Well, if he didn't hit it, it was even closer.
You know what?
I think you were even closer this time.
Oh, for sure.
I was kind of shooting for it.
That would be a really bad ending.
I wanted to touch, like not hit it. I just wanted to clip it, you know?
Throw a roost
Yeah.
and make it look cool.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't think it was faster than you guys, but it was fun.
It was pretty close.
Not bad for Hayden.
Just show me.
And they call Hayden the shit talker.
Yeah. See, what am I? Hey, that's not bad.
It's not bad.
For Hayden.
Oh, shoot. All right, Andy and Jason are gonna race the barrel race side by side. Jason is gonna get a barrel hit. He's gonna make it to the first barrel, and then Andy's gonna go. So
Here, this is gonna get sketchy. Fun. Oh.
anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know we sure enjoyed making it for you. So stick around. We have a lot more content to come. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
Sound like you knew the inside.